everyone, and welcome back to my channel. Halloween is quickly approaching, and what's better than some candy corn cupcakes? We're starting off with these delicious cupcakes that are topped off with a homemade buttercream frosting dyed in the colors of good old candy corn. Then we will be topping them off with these cute little ghost candy corn decorations made by Wilton. And let me tell you, these cupcakes are almost too cute to eat. Today I will be using a Halloween themed cake mix that I found at Target. And for the cake mix, you will be needing just a few ingredients, which include the box cake mix, 3 eggs, 1 cup of cold water, and half a cup of oil. Before we begin making the cupcakes, we're going to preheat our oven to 350 degrees. Alright, and now we can go ahead and add into a large bowl our cake mix, our 3 eggs, our water, and our oil. Then just whisk it all together until well combined. Now lay some cupcake liners into your cupcake pan. I have these cute little Halloween candy corn ones. Then you want to fill each one about 2/3 of the way full. Our cupcakes are ready to go into the oven, and these will bake for about 20 minutes or until a toothpick inserted into your biggest cupcake comes out clean. So our cupcakes are baking away in the oven, and it is the perfect chance to make our buttercream frosting. So this is a KitchenAid stand mixer. If you don't happen to have one of these, you can definitely use just a small hand mixer. Either way, you're going to want to use a mixer to make your job so much easier. For the buttercream frosting, you only need 4 simple ingredients, and that includes 4 cups of powdered sugar, 2 sticks of unsalted softened butter, 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, a few tablespoons of milk, and a pinch of salt, which is definitely optional, but traditionally a pinch of salt helps to balance out the sweetness of the frosting. To begin our buttercream frosting, you want to start by placing your 2 sticks of butter into your stand mixer. Then you want to beat this for about 7 or 8 minutes. The more air that you are incorporating into your butter, and the more pale and light and fluffy it'll become. Once your butter is ready to go, it should look something like this. At this point, you can then go ahead and add in your 4 cups of powdered sugar. I like to add 1 cup at a time, mixing in between each addition. Now you can go ahead and add your vanilla extract and about a tablespoon of milk to start. Mix these 2 ingredients through, and if your buttercream is still a little bit too thick, you can definitely thin it out with a little more milk. Now split your buttercream frosting into 3 separate bowls, and we are going to dye one of them yellow with 4 drops of yellow food coloring. 1 bowl of frosting will be turned orange with 3 drops of red food coloring and 2 drops of yellow. And the last bowl will be left alone. Today I am using Wilton 1M star tips. You simply want to place your tip inside of your piping bag, then push the tip back a little bit, cut off the tip of your piping bag using scissors, then push it back through. Now place your piping bag around a tall glass, and this is a cool technique that I learned to make transferring of your frosting into your piping bag that much easier. And now your frosting is all ready to go. Alright, so our cupcakes have come out of the oven. I inserted a cake tester and it came out clean, so they are ready to go. I let them cool in the fridge for about half an hour. And now we are ready to decorate. So basically you just want to start at the center of the cupcake and work your way around the cupcake and just twist off at the end. You want to first start with your yellow, then you want to repeat the process for the orange, and last but not least, the white frosting right on top. Then you can go ahead and add a few sprinkles if you'd like, and last but not least, your little ghost candy corn candy decoration. And your cupcakes are complete. Thank you guys so much for joining me once again on my channel. These little candy corn cupcakes are literally too cute to eat. Definitely give this recipe a try if you want to do something fun with your friends, family, or children. And if you enjoyed today's video, make sure to give a big old thumbs up. Also, don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you can stay in the loop of whenever I upload more videos on this channel. As always, remember to keep things simple yet elegant, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye! Oh, and happy Halloween!